When a classic Yamaha DS6C arrived at the Yamaha Motor Communication Plaza, it was more than just an old motorcycle. For master restorer Hanai-san, it was a mystery. He is the Sherlock Holmes of the motorcycle world, deducing history from small details. Each restoration is an investigation. The silent DS6-C held secrets in its aged components. As lead restorer, Hanai-san has worked on countless bikes. The DS6-C was disassembled, each part examined. Hanai-san noted the bike's good condition and evidence of maintenance. He deduced long-distance night rides from a booster on the lights and mountain roads from the evenly worn tires. The fuel tank, without knee grips, was unusual for an export model. Rust traces showed the bike had been stored before being well maintained. An oil tank window and a rear brake torque rod showed a skilled owner. The mystery of the missing knee grips was solved with a 1969 Tokyo Motor Show guidebook, proving it was an original specification. Hanai-san and the owner, Saito-san, shared a passion for Yamaha motorcycles. Saito-san provided the bike's history, confirming Hanai-san's deductions. Saito-san had admired the DS6C in high school, later finding one in California. It became his companion for 25 years. He made replacement parts when originals were unavailable. Saito-san confirmed he made the muffler mounts, brake torque rod, and oil tank window. He was happy that the knee pad mystery was solved and the restoration accurately reflected the original bike. The meticulous restoration of this DS6C is a testament to the restorers at Yamaha Communication Plaza, preserving history one piece at a time.